What if I told you that the most advanced, precision-built supercar of 2026 isn't a Ferrari, a Bugatti, or a Porsche? It's a Hyundai. And to bring this $500,000 hydrogen-powered monster to life, they had to invent a completely new method of high-value manufacturing. Let's talk about high-value manufacturing. When you pop the hood of the 2026 Tacoma Hybrid, you aren't just looking at an engine, you are looking at a masterclass in packaging. The iForce Max isn't an afterthought. Toyota engineers had to seamlessly integrate heavy-duty mechanical components with advanced, high-voltage hybrid wiring, and they did it with millimeter precision. Notice how the bright orange, high-voltage cables route perfectly around the palisade turbocharger heat shields. This isn't just for show. This layout requires an entirely new level of automated factory precision to assemble. The tolerances here are so tight, they rival aerospace engineering. This level of rigidity ensures that when you put your foot down, the transfer of electric torque to mechanical power is instantaneous and brutal. So, how does this architecture translate to the road? The 2.4-liter turbocharged engine is paired with a 48 horsepower electric motor integrated directly into the 8-speed automatic transmission. This means the hybrid system isn't just assisting, it is the backbone of the truck's launch power. We are talking about massive, low-end torque available the millisecond you touch the pedal. But the real secret is thermal management. Look at the cooling jackets and the metallic accents around the hybrid inverter. Toyota utilized advanced casting techniques to dissipate heat faster than ever before. This truck isn't just built to go fast. It's over-engineered to survive extreme abuse while maintaining hybrid efficiency. But all that violent engineering under the hood is controlled from a cabin that feels like a luxury command center. Step inside, and the high-value production continues. This is where rugged capability meets high-end digital architecture. The massive 14-inch touchscreen isn't just an infotainment system. It's the brain of the hybrid powertrain, giving you real-time topographic overlays and hybrid energy flow data. Every touch point, from the tactile, heavy metal HVAC knobs to the digital instrument cluster, feels deliberately heavy. It feels expensive. Toyota completely replaced it with a cabin built for the modern digital age. The cheap plastic feel of older trucks and 2026 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid isn't just a mid-sized truck. It is a highly calculated, precision-built piece of automotive machinery that proves hybrid technology can be aggressive, durable, and insanely powerful. They didn't just build a new Tacoma. They reinvented the manufacturing rulebook to pull it off. But I want to know what you think. Does the iForce Max engineering justify the price tag? Or are you sticking with pure combustion? Drop a comment down below right now.